Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add pricing table to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to this site which is called Elf site, and then you're gonna have to go to widgets and then simply search for pricing table here. Simply click on that, and then you're gonna have to simply edit the template and then simply click on continue with this template. So as you can see, you can add tables and then click on add to website for free. Now you're gonna have to simply, so let's go back here. So you're gonna have to click on publish, and basically what you're gonna have to do next, so basically I'm gonna choose the free plan. Then simply copy this code and then go back to Wix, click on add elements, then go to embed code and then choose HTML, and then we should be able to add the pricing table. So as you can see, it's right here. So basically that's all you have to do. Now you're gonna have to resize this, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.